What up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. How's it going today? It is Thursday. Coming in, showing up a little bit late just because the news at 6:45. We're watching this push here to see if we push above. Might take some longs once we do a newer high. It is 6:51, so I'm trading a little bit late, but I'm trying not to trade the news. So I pretty much showed up late, a little late today. I was at the gym, hitting that morning sesh. So we got that sesh in, and that was good. So here's a 10-minute. And let's get into it. So we're just gonna wait here. I might take a long, quick little long off of this. Let's hit it. Let's get a long. Okay. And we're long and we're looking for a breakout. I wanted to put 60 on risk. We'll add to that, add to that. We're gonna add to that winner and we're gonna set a stop right down here. So I want to take some off above this right there. Let me make this a little bit better for you guys. Oh, all right, beautiful. Look at that. Might just take some off here, take some off, take another one off. All right, so we got some greenish going on. We got some green. We're going to leave a runner on. All right, looks like. So we had a huge sell-off, by the way, overnight. I traded some of my Top Step accounts, and those are done for the day. They are all green. For anyone wondering, they are green. So those are done. Look at that breakout. There's the breakout. That's the breakout we're looking for. We're going to trail it. And another one. Here we go. Going to keep trailing it. If it takes me out, then I'll move over to the next account. Gonna let it keep pushing. Gonna let it keep pushing. Push, 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 push. Taking London high. It's about to take London high. 21,243. Boom. London high taken. All right. And let's add to that. We're gonna get a breakout here. All right. We're gonna add 6 micros there. And breakout, breakout. I want it. There it is. There's the breakout I was looking for. There's the push. And we'll let it hang out. I have it all connected to my replicanto. So very nice here. I want to see a push here. We're going to put a sell stop there. And let me break this down to a 10-minute for you guys so it could look better. There we go. Beautiful. This is better. This looks better for you guys. 10-minute there. And then we're going to let the rest ride. All right. So boom. Boom. Out. All out on that one. All right, we're going to switch accounts. Switching accounts over on my replicanto. We're going to switch over to the next one. Let's do it. Okay. Let's see a pullback here. We can do a quick little add to this breakout. Looks like the market wants to go green on the day. We're going to put a quick stop out at this 10-minute, about 190 bucks. And if it wants to fill the gap, we have a huge gap to fill up here. So we will let it run all the way to this. Let's see if not, I mean, we did higher highs, higher highs. I didn't trade the noise. So, and I'll put a 5-minute for you guys. Beautiful. Looks much better. Here's a 5-minute. That looks better. Bada boom, bada bang. All right, so we are green on another account. We are chilling right now. We're going to leave that green. We moved over to a second account on Tradeify. Shout out to my boys at Tradeify. They got their live Tradeify thing going on right now. When I stream or trade, I try to just, I don't really watch the stuff because sometimes I want to trade like them. So I just do my thing. But gym was good today. Got the protein shake. We's Gucci's. We got the music in the background. Let's get it. It's Thursday. It's Get Money Day. Get Money Day. It's Get Money Day. But we green. We gonna hold. We gonna let this play out. That was a good breakout. Stopped out shorts that were short from London. So that's beautiful. There we go. There we go. All right, you guys can hear me better now. Beautiful. Let's get it. We got them jams going. I had to switch out my mouse this morning because my wireless mouse died. Shit's crazy. I was like, come on, man. How you gonna die on me? How you gonna do me like that? How you gonna do me like that? No bueno. That's no bueno. No bueno, no bueno. I got my wife's grandma likes to say no good, no good. Yeah, it's no good. But it is a good morning. We are getting it in this morning. And keeping it tight, keeping the risk in check. I want to see a breakout. If we see a push, we will add to this baby. But I'm letting it hang out. I want to see a push on a 5-minute. I got the 15-minute. I got the ES up. We got it all going on here. If NQ can stay above Asia high of 21,208, we are looking good. So this level here, this is kind of what I'm thinking. And I might even, you know what, let's risk 100. I want to see if it holds that level. If not, then it can. Oh, there it is. Beautiful. Let's add to that. Add 3 micros. All right, we're gonna let it go. We're gonna add 2 more. We'll see a breakout here. We want to see a push. We want to see a push. A good push. ES at 59. Perfect. Look at the push, guys. That was beautiful. Beautiful. Money. That is money right there. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, boy. Look at that. That was beautiful. ES is at 58.70. 58.70. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're going to let it run. Let the winners run, 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 run. Beautiful. Look at that. I am digging this. It is 6:57. 7 o'clock. It's about coming. ES will continue to push. Come on. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Oh, come on. Don't do me like this. Oh, boom. And we got taken out on some profits. And guess what, guys? We switch over to the next account. And this is, I call, rotating the boat. This is how we rotate the boat. So switch over to the 11th. Looking bullish today. My shorts are getting stopped out. Not me shorting, but everybody else. ES is pushing. I want ES to hit London, so we're going to go long on this bad boy. And actually, I forgot to put my no good. Let me take this one out real quick. Hold on, guys. I want to have my stop in there. There we go. Better. Take a little paper cut. That's okay. That's okay. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We're going to have a stop right here. We're going to let this baby run. We're going to do a 1-to-1 real quick. Boom. ES is running. Still running. 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 Come on. Let's add to that winner. We just added to a winner. We're going to let it pop. ES is at 58.70. We want 58.76, which is London high. Let's see ES take it. Come on. Take it, bad boy. You know you want to take it. And ES is holding Asia high as well. So we have Asia high at 58.74, and we have London high of ES at 58.76. We want to see it get tapped. Tap, tap, tap it, tap it, tap it. Let's go. All right, there it is. It's pushing. It's pushing. We're going to take one off, and we take one off. In that money, we get that green. We de-risk, de-risk. We letting it. I still think ES wants 58.76. Let's go. Let's add to this. Let's get another pop. Come on. Come on, do it, ES. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. We are waiting. Waiting to see if we get the push. There's the push. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. There's the push. Beautiful. And we're going to put a quick little stop out here. If it takes me out, that's cool, because I don't want to ride this baby back down. Because ES just tapped 58.76. It just tapped it. Tapped it. So we gonna get out. We gonna put a quick hard stop here. Oh, it wants to go. Oh no, it wants more. Yes, let's go. Put it in profit. Free pre-trade. We got a free trade coming. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Run it. Run it. Run it. Boom. Just got taken out. Ho ho, that's what I'm talking about. And we are green on accounts. Whew, that was quick. Man, I haven't even taken my protein shake yet today. Wild. So, green on all accounts. Yeah, I mean, no good. This is great, but look at that, guys. We are green on all accounts. Green on all accounts. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so we are green. I want to take a little more. Let's switch over to the next account that has a little more profit, and we gonna let this ride. Cause I feel like the market wants to give me more. ES is pushing. Let's get it. ES is pushing. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, let's get it. Oh, let's get it. Let's see if we ride up. Let's see if we get another push from ES. We gonna risk a quick little 100 right here. This was another account that I was green on, a little more profits on. So we're gonna let that play out. Cause ES is continue to push. We got strength in the market today. Looks like the market wants to come back and get it. Actually, I might take that off real quick. Let's do a quick little. Let's down to 52. If it takes me out, it's okay. Oh, actually, got one. So I got 200, 200, 600, and 489. So we got one account that's at $62 profit. Okay, so we'll work on that one. So we're not done yet. Not done yet. I try to go for like $200 to $500. Right now, I'm just trying to get a little more here. I want to see ES push. If it pushes here, I'll take it out. Let's see it. If not, it can stop me out here. I want to see if ES continues. ES did tap London high. ES tapped Asia high. ES looking like it wants to go back down. NQ trying to hold this breakout, but it probably won't. And it will take me out here, and we will switch accounts over to the other one and leave this one for the day. Oh, ho, ho. Buyers just stepped back in. We got the buyers stepping back in. Oh, buyers trying again. ES is trying. The baby's trying. She's trying to go. Let's get the trading view chart up. I actually took trading view off my phone. Oh, sorry about that. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay, bada boom, bada bing. Let's go. Let's go. Bada boom, bada bing, bing, bing. Come on, push it. Push it. Push it. You know you want to push it. Let's get a free trade. All right, got a free trade going there. Free trade on that one, guys. Let's see if market wants to keep pushing. ES looks like it wants to keep pushing. Let's go. Let's go, ES. Let's go. You're at 58.75. Let's go. You know you want it. You know you want to keep going. Okay, market looked like it's green on the day. Market's up 0.74 on the NQ. On the ES, we're up 0.26. Market looks like it wants to come back, go, and keep going. So we gonna ride with it. We gonna long today. We gonna long the dips. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Well, let's go. Let's ride it then. Let's ride this micro. Ride it till the train falls off. Let's go. If it stops me out here, I'm switching over to that other account that I only have $62 profit, and then we're going to start working on that one for this morning. It is 7:04. ES is pushing. ES looks like it wants to break out of London high, London low. It's breaking out of Asia high. If it breaks through bulls, ES will go back to 58.88. Boom, taken out. All right. So we'll rotate accounts. We're going to rotate accounts, and we're going to go start small on this one. We're going to risk a quick little, why don't I have my settings? There we go. All right, we're going to wait for a little pullback, little pullback. I'm waiting for a pullback here. I want to go long again. AES just got wicked on the top of that on a 10-minute, so we're just waiting to chill. We got the jams going. Let's get this protein shake going. I made this last night. Let me drink this. This is the breakfast. Ooh, this is fire. Fire, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. It's money-making Thursdays. Let's go. Let's go. Thursdays are usually my best days. For some reason, I get to read the price better. Fridays, it's going to be slow-mo day out. I'm going to probably drop down to 1 micro. I'm probably just going to do top steps tomorrow so I can lock it out. And just working on these trade advices today. We're going to let it hit. Okay, we waiting. We waiting for a drop here. By the way, guys, Bitcoin is at 110K. Wild. Bitcoin just hit overnight. It hit 111. So all my crypto homies out there, wild stuff. Crypto can go to the moon, man. So for everyone holding crypto, making that money, my dumb ass didn't do it, but if y'all did and made that money, congrats. I'm all for people making money, so all good. I'm waiting for a push here. I'm watching ES. Here's the push that I want. There we go. There's the push I want right there. So you guys can see I wanted to make another high. I'm okay with joining the move. There we go. Bada boom, bada bing. We are in it. Okay. Let's let it roll. Let's go. Come on. ES just broke out. ES broke out of the range. NQ, you need to follow up, baby. ES is at 58.76. ES is coming for that money. Is coming for 58. Let's go. Come on, ES. By the way, if you guys did the opening range, I wasn't here. I was at the gym. But that was a good signal, too. Looked like it wicked down a little bit, and then it went. But then the news kind of did all the action. I definitely missed the news today. I will probably be doing that more often when it comes to that 6:45 news PST time. I will not be doing that. Let's go. We're going to let this ride. We're going to let her ride. I want to add, but I hate this little push we're doing. I'm going to free trade real quick. I don't like the way ES is just, it's a slow push. And we have a major level from yesterday, guys, at 21,344 on the NQ. 21,344 on the NQ. So now we're going to sit here and watch because I want to see the reaction. It is 708. So we're back to hands. ES is pulling back. I mean, right now, if you're shorting, I don't know. I mean, you haven't had a lower 5-minute, a lower 15-minute, a lower 10-minute. After the opening, after the news, it's just been grinding up. There's a push down. I want to see it take out 21,344 to see what I want to do next. I'm gonna chill and wait right here. It's 708, but this is looking. As long as this 15 stays anything above 21. You know, so we haven't broken. This is the M5. We haven't broken our first signal to go short. Nothing. Another one. So 3 candles we'd have to break for me to feel like we're going into bearish territory. Let's switch this to a 10-minute. Here's a 10-minute, guys. So you see this 10-minute? Look at that. Here's Asia. We broke out. We broke out. Did a bear flag, then pushed. Now we are not. You know, we have a whole 10-minute bar down here. In order for me to think this is going to go lower and break this trend, I needed to break down here. So if anything, it's just hit the long button and join the bulls today. And I've been long a lot recently, and I don't really long that much. But I'm going to wait for another push here. All right, there we go. What we're going to do is we are going to set a stop at the bottom of that 10-minute. Reason for that being because if we get a stop out there, we might do a micro short there. Let's see. It is 7:10, so I'm keeping it light, keeping it tight. Light, keeping it tight. I'm up $66 profit on that account. So if I lose this trade, it's okay. I would only be down about $20, which is good risk management. And then I'll just wait and see what I want my next signal. But I want to put it at the bottom of this 10-minute candle just because I want to see if what type of pullback we're doing. And then there's this thing called the power of 3 sometimes, or three bar move. Whereas if you have 3 continuous like down bars, then it should continue in that movement. Or if you have 3 continuous up bars, it should continue in that movement. So that's a strategy too that works. Every strategy works. It's all in the mind. But pretty good. I mean, we were green on top step accounts last night. XFAs all locked out, all four. We are green right now on 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 Tradeify accounts, and we're just chilling. It is 7-Eleven right now, and I'm just relaxing, drinking the protein shake. Yeah, we were looking bullish for the day, for sure. Yeah, I mean, Tradeify's new TV show looks pretty dope. It's pretty awesome. Chilling. Oh, here's a stop out. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. So if it hits that 10, then we're looking pretty good, right? Because then we're looking for a short. Then we can short this for a quick scalp. But if it holds, and ES is about to do its first engulfing down candle on the ES. So I am looking at ES 5870 on the ES. I have other charts up. Up there it is, just broke. Okay, so we'll take that off and we will join the party here. All right, guys, we're joining the party there. We took that off. I see ES breaking. We're gonna go for a quick scalp. Nothing crazy. 6 micros. Let's see. 5 micros actually. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, there it is. 6 micros. Let's see if we can get it. Come on. Come on, give it to me, baby. Give it to me. Let's roll down. We want to keep rolling. Let's go. Come on. There it is. There it is. Beautiful. A little more. We're going to do a quick little scalp. Quick little scalp. Boom. And beautiful. Back into profit. And we're going to add to that winner. We're going to add to the winner chicken dinner, guys. ES is pushing down, so we're... There we go. That's what we're talking about. See? And we're going to have let the runner ride. Let that free trade. Bada boom, bada bing. We're going to let it ride. We're letting it ride. I'm in my... We're going to let that one ride. Oh, we are money. Look at that. Look at that micro. Go, baby. You go do your thing. Okay, taken out at profit. Boom. So, got stopped out, right? Didn't oversize. Made my loss back. And now we're back to profit. So, we were at 60. We're up 104. See how that works, guys? So, it's all about risk management. Like, it really is. And then had I lost that trade, I was only going to lose like $200. So when you do micros, anything under a mini, under 10 micros, you should be able to kind of finagle your way out of a loss, right? As long as you don't, one, go really big and then lose on it, because I'll be bad. So that's the 5. We had a break of the 5, break 2 candles. This would be your next break. That would signal a big, kind of like a bearish move. So we're going to move up to a 10-minute. We broke the 10-minute, right? So you could join the party here. Quick little one, right? You're just risking that. And then you're going to let it ride. So there's a 10. This is a break of a 10. You take it. And you let it continue to ride. Now, and if you only put one micro, you can kind of let it play out. You'll put your stop here. And if you get stopped out, you're stopping out at profit. Make sense, guys? So, I mean, the goal at all time is to not go on tilt. That's the biggest thing. And it's really hard on the prop accounts because people go on tilt because, you can use 50 minis, right? 15 minis. You guys can go, you know how they say, balls to the wall, So it's really crazy how you can do it. But if you guys just chill, risk management, look at that. So it's going down. I'm watching the ES as I'm watching this. So we're continue to go down. I'm going to let it play out. We got our first break on a 5-minute, first break on a 10-minute. Now, question is, are we going to get a break on a 15-minute on that last 15-minute candle? And if we don't, are we coming back up to the top to continue the bull run, right, for the day? For the day. So it's 7:16, 7:30 is about to come up. So here we go, here we go. All right, here's a break. Getting that break. See, ES wants to roll down. Question is, what we gonna do? We gonna let that ride though, for sure. I'm definitely curious to see if that takes us out. Very nice on ES. Looks like we broke on a 15. On an ES, we broke the M15. Same thing on the NQ. So now it's either gonna go. It's going to continue back down to the medium, which is going to be VWAP here. Right, this move continues, goes here. There you go. Goes down here somewhere, right? Or pushes back up, takes us out, and continues bull. Yeah, I hope you guys had a good gym sesh. If any of my people that work out, I work out in the morning, I get that gym session, you know. So that's always good. Let's see. Oh, see how ES is trying to come back. Beautiful. ES is trying to come back. We gonna let it do it. Here we go. What you gonna do, ES? What you gonna do, boy? What you gonna do? Oh, there we go. Camera's been wonky lately. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Like I said, I'm not adding to this position. I want to see a break of this London high 21,243. I want to see a break. I will trail this. Trail it. Boom. Free trade. Free trade. Okay. And that's fine. That's a quick little scalp. We took that scalp. If it stops us out, it can stop us back out at that. We're going to let it keep riding. Next bar on a 5-minute. On a 1-minute, definitely we're breaking down. I want to see it hold this London 21,243. Maybe an overwork down. If we get an overwork down here, then we can trail this, right? I want to see flush, break, trail it, and then just wait and sit on hands and see what happens. But we are looking pretty juicy right now on the NQ, but it is kind of doing like a bear flag as well on a 1-minute. So we're just chilling and waiting. And I'm not going to go major size down here either. That's not about to happen. I'm about to go, 15 micros down here and then get wicked up, because I've seen where this move wicks back up. And then you're down, $400 or $500 and you're like, well, great. And then you have to work yourself out of a hole. So it's holding. NQ's holding. It is 7:19. 7:19, guys. Let's get it. Come on, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? So we're holding out this breakout we had. See, it's oh, there we go. Beautiful. There we go. Okay, okay. Kind of just talked about that, right, guys? We just talked about that. Let's trail it. We just talked about this wicking down, right? Curious to see if it happens and holds. We're going to let it keep going, Papa, keep going. We're dropped down to, this is a 15. Let's drop down to a 5. Here's a 5. You guys see that? Now you've gotten 3 full candles down. ES is breaking this last M15, so we'll join this. We'll put a quick little stop out here. I'm not risking a full 100. Quick little stop out at 79. Let's see if it gets it on a 5. And we can go down through a 3. Here's a 3. So on a 3 looks even juicier, right? So we had 1, 2, 3 candles. Final break. Here's a break. Here's a break. Let's see if it breaks level. ES is pushing down. And free trade. We just talked about that, guys. Just talked about this pushing down, right? Boom. All right, got taken out. Bada boom, bada bing. Now I'm gonna hold because your last we waked down. We took out London, right? 21,243. So it's kind of like a bear, kind of the same thing we did here, where we went down and then boom. But we're still making on a higher time frame. We're making higher highs. Same thing here. Wicking down. Now we should go boom back up, right? That's what should happen in theory. If not, we can have a wick down here. And what I'll do is this. So see if we break 21,227, then we should continue the breakdown. So we're gonna wait, hold here. ES is breaking down as we're speaking. ES is breaking down. Okay, we're in it. Let's add to this drop. We should get some kind of drop here. Here we go. Come on. We're letting that play out. Should continue the drop. That's kind of the move I'm looking for, a continuation drop. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. Boom. Money. Boom. Money. Just talked about that. Now we're going to trail it. Now we're going to let it run. Boom. Money. Let's go, boy. All right. Beautiful. Just walked you guys through that trade. Just showed you my whole trade plan. Whole trade plan through that. Right? To the T, exactly what I was thinking, what I was adding in the moment. Added to the winner. Dropped down. Quick flush. Covered. Scalped. The whole 9 yards. Right? And at no time did I ever use a full mini. So that was good. That's what I'm talking about. That account's at 196. About to show it to you guys. I might be done for the morning. It is 7:24. And let's show you guys. Pada boom, pada bing. Right? Look at that. Look at that. Bada boom, bada bing. So this is a sim account that I run off my Replicanto to control my size. So basically what I'll do is I'll show you guys. I go on here and you can set how much size. So this is the secret to trading prop firms on NinjaTrader. You can set on sim how much size you want and it won't put any more orders for you. And it's free. All you gotta do is buy Replicanto. Once you buy it, you'll go ahead and copy trade it and you're Gucci. So that is my tip for you guys. Okay, now you guys know how I do it. That's why you'll see this, and then you'll see me trade these individually. So if we continue this drop, I will continue to short because it's going to look juicy. But I want to see another drop here. So what we'll do is we'll set another limit, and bada boom, bada bing. Right there. If it takes me, we'll do the same thing. Floor break short, we will add to it and we'll let it go. Add to the short. Boom, there's a flush. Took some more. Leaving one on for the runner and a quick little stop out. Now we can leave that stop out there And two things are going to happen. It's going to wick me out and stop me out, or it's going to continue back down here. But we've made a good move. ES is continuing to sell off. So we're going to add to that. Add to that. Boom, boom, and boom, and boom. Okay, taken out. We're at 200. Oh, kind of want to. Let's see if we can get a drop here. Boom. Bada boom, bada bing. Quick little scalp. We got in that, baby. We will in that. We will in that. In that. Let's take one more scalp. See if ES wants to continue to break down. We are going to do a quick little stop out here at 20 bucks. I just want to see if it wants to continue. If it does, it's bada boom, bada bing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. ES is at 58.55. Has broken the M15, M10. Now we're looking for a full breakdown. Okay, and looks like it wants to go. Well, quick little boom, stop me out. That's cool. I'm cool with that. It was either gonna go or it wasn't. If it wasn't, take me out the trade. So it is 727, 730 is coming up. So this was a good kind of trade we talked about here, right? Let it go, let it go. We got out. We saw, you know, on a bigger time frame, finally got an M5. We broke, got short, covered down, and we short when it breaks the floor. I call them floor breaks, right? So as soon as we break the floor, boom. When we make a lower low, we should make another lower low, right? So we just go with it with the micro shift and the movement. That was Gucci. That was up. We green. I'm hands right now. I'm on hands. So I'm gonna wait here. Now I'm just gonna let it do its thing. ES was beautiful, right? Now, ES has gone red for the day, so keep that in mind, guys. ES is 0.1. It is red for the day right now. NQ is still green, so NQ still has more to go down. Now, looks like their ES is trying to go green. So if ES goes green, then we talk about that bear flag, that movement that we just said, right? Goes down, then wicks up. See how we're going down? But if you buy here, you have a high chance of 730 coming up, and it just wicking down and continuing the downtrend. But there's your trend line if you guys are trend line drawers. You see that? All the way down there. I don't really draw trend lines, so, but it's kind of obvious to see it. So now we're letting it do its thing, and we're just gonna chill. I wouldn't take another short, I think, until ES goes below 58.50. 58.50. So, till then, we might be done for the day, to be honest. Because it's looking good. Looking good. And who wants to mess up a nice green day, right? Nobody. So we're looking green. I haven't finished my protein shake. We all about to get the protein shake. What? Get the protein shake. What? All right, let's pause the music real quick. Okay, so 7:30 alarm just hit. 7:30 alarm just hit. Oop. So 7 alarm just hit. 7 alarm just hit. Let's see. Oh, what we got on here? Let's see. Watching we got a little Tradeify going on here. Okay. I'm letting it do its thing, guys. I'm not in a trade right now. I might be done. I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'll just let it go. We're just letting it do its thing. Back to music. Oh, there we go. Let's see. So we're just chilling now. I'm just hanging out. I might be done for the day. Um, I'm just gonna hang out. Drink the protein. Actually, I'm actually watching a little bit. Shout out to my boy Simba, Tradeify, because I guess they're giving out some giveaways. So, fuck it. Who don't like free stuff, right? So, so now it's gonna slow down. Now I'm just gonna watch because I have zero desire to jump into this right now till we make it higher. And something that helps is let's jump out of this 3 minute. Let's jump into this 15 minute. Look at that. Bada boom. So see how that this is a cool little indicator I have on Ninja Trader. It's free. I have the Asia, we got the London. Saw how we, at 6:45 we have the news, boom, wicks it, and then it just goes fire, right? This was the move, right? That was the move. It was after the news. It wasn't during the move, after. Usually trades, the big moves come after the news. So, see this bear flag? Bear flag, boom. See how that works, guys? Boom, boom, boom. Then when the market wants to, when it catches buyers, it just goes. That's what you want. You want boom on a long. That's why longs are kind of harder than shorts, I think. Shorts kind of work faster. When they go down, they go down. Here's a 15. Now, we're on a 15 on the NQ. If we can break Asia high here, that would look pretty good as well. So, yep, that's pretty much my mindset right now. It is 7:33. Let's see if we can get a break. I mean, we got a full nice little trend going. You guys can see, look at that. Boom, higher high. Higher, nice wick down, higher high, right? These are just micro scalps that I was taking in small time frames, but on the bigger picture, the market wants to go up. ES has a lot to go back up because that was kind of a big drop. ES went from 58.80 to 58.60. About 20 points. On the ES, that's kind of big. On NQ 21, what did we hit? 21.325 down to from 21.075. That's 300 points. Not really a big. I've seen 700 point days, 1,000 point. The way the market goes, I've seen some nasty days. So, and another thing I have, if you guys are gonna use Replicanto, quick thing. So, on Replicanto, you will want to make sure it's copying the right trades, right? So if you look at this, see this add-ons, like on that one of those last trades I was trading, I had already been out of the sim account, but it didn't transition over to my Tradeify account, so I had to come on here and flatten all. Oh, yeah. So we got 735, guys. Let's go. Okay, that means we have either algo time coming up, something's gonna move. These are little alarms I got going on. And actually, I gotta go wake up the wife. I'll be right back. Give me a sec. back, guys. I'm back. I left you guys on with some music. Let's do it. I'm back. So, here we go. What are we doing? We feeling pretty bullish today. Let's see if it's just doing this, hanging out. We gonna wait. And actually, I'm going to make a coffee real quick. So I will be right back, guys. Give me a sec. All right, guys, I'm back. What's up? I was back. I just couldn't get the camera to work, but I took a quick little short there, as you guys saw. That was a micro short. Pretty good move. Up in that account about 361. So we're gonna switch that account to another account. Looking pretty good today. I'm not gonna lie. Today's looking pretty hot. Like I said, Thursdays are usually my good days. So let me get this going back again. Usually my good days. Oh. What's going on with my camera? Oh, there it is. Bada boom, see? All right, so we're back in. We're green, 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 green. I'll show you guys what we got going on with the accounts. We are green. Look at that. Bunny, 200, 211, 363, and 616. And then we have our sim that we run it off. And these are the commissions run off the sim. So right now I'm chilling. I'm waiting. That was a good double bottom it did there. So we could be breaking back out. Now it's definitely time to sit on some hands. For sure. So we're just chilling. We're just chilling today. It is 7:42. At 8 o'clock, I'm probably going to bounce. Probably going to shut down stream. Just because it'd be time to go. I got other shit to do. Places to be. Right? I'm just chilling, waiting. You guys want to check out my Top Step accounts? Let's do that. I'll show you guys. I traded Top Step earlier. Let me finish this up, guys. Let's do my Top Step accounts. Let's log into that. Top Step X. Okay, let's do that. Let's show you guys that while okay, so here's Top Step account. Bada boom, look at that. Up 144. So that wasn't bad. Pretty good. 215 on this account. Not bad. And then this account, $66 last night. And then this account, 10 cents. So that was the Top Step accounts. Oh, let's take a short here. We're going to do a triple bottom. I'm curious if we do a triple bottom. We should flush on this one because it would be a drop. Let's see if we get a triple bottom here. Let's put a stop right here. This is a good trade because we're doing this and we technically broke that trend that we were in from down there. So we are watching this real good. Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. Quick little, like, 1 micro in there. So that's it. We're going to let it ride down. We got a quick stop there. Nice little stop. Up. Algo time. Let's see. 6:45. We got some Mike Wilberg. So I got these alarms set up on my phone. It's just to remind me of what we got going on. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this might take me out. Let's drop the bottom. Let's see. Yep, I'm dropping that. Yeah, I don't like. It should have broke here, so kind of curious why it didn't. But I might take myself out quickly. Yep, I took myself out. Quick little $50 loss. Took the L. We okay? We taking L's today. We take some L's. You know, Tom Hugar says best loser wins. So better be a good loser, because if not, you win the wrong game. Protein shake was fired today. We had we had coffee a little bit, small little coffee I made, but I need to make my good cappuccino going. So now we're in the game. It's 7:46. Curious to see if we continue to push up or what we gonna do. What is this? Just talking to my plumber. Okay. Got bathroom shelf going on. Okay. So coming out to work on the bathroom, so that should be fun. Okay. Okay, cool. So we're letting that hit, letting that hit, letting that hit, letting that hit. And we're just going to chill and wait. So sometimes we get the real move at 8, like the real move. I call it the 8 a.m. PST time, by the way. Protein shake was good. I am tracking my macros, so I got to put that in here. Because I am tracking my macros. Let's see. Let's see. It's definitely looking bear flaggish on a 15 on an NQ. ES has done 3 red candles, which is no bueno, and NQ2. So there it goes back down again to that bottom wick. Let's see. Let's take it. See how it's doing this? Hold. It did this to me, I think like on Tuesday, where it did this, and then it went boom, and I kept getting chopped up, and I was like, great. So today, I'm like, nope, I'm gonna wait. Or I might be done. Just waiting. What time is it? 7:48. It's 7:45. Okay, let's finish it up, guys. It is 7:48. I think we're done. I'm about to call it. That's it. It's been a good stream. Been good. I'm done. I'm going to take this green and dip out. I'm out, guys. Y'all have a good one. I got some other shit to be doing, so I'm about to lock it out and dip out and call it a day. But you guys have a great day. Have a great morning. Appreciate coming to watch the stream. I'm out. Made my money. Time to dip. We took some L's. We took some wins. And we made that cash. So peace.